morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I have lots of errands to run this morning, so I'm going to try to vlog as much as possible. I had my normal morning routine, cleaned up, breakfast, I took the dogs around, did all of the things, and then I have to take Max to the vet. He is getting his allergy shot, his side appoint that he gets every 3 months, and then run all my other errands. And I'm going to take you guys to dance class with me. It's not going to be like anything magical to see, but you guys can see what Latin ballroom dancing looks like when you're a beginner, so it's not so intimidating if it's something that you want to try. I received some DMs of people saying that it sounds really fun and they'd like to try it, but they're kind of scared too, just like I was. So I just kind of want to show you guys that it's no big deal and how comfortable they make you and how it's actually really fun and definitely okay to mess up and you don't have to feel subconscious. So anyway, I'm going to finish my breakfast and head out for the day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then we'll head out. Drop Maxwell off at home and continue with the rest of my errands. Let's get some airflow in here, shall we? Some AC. All right, I am back from running errands and I picked up some items for Roman's birthday tomorrow. He's officially turning 17 and he loves this chocolate pie, he calls it. You guys, this dessert is so good. I'm gonna show you tomorrow in the same vlog, but tomorrow, how to make it exactly. It's a traditional like buttery shortbread crust. So I make it into like a thin crust in a pie pan, and then I mix sweetened condensed milk with whipped cream cheese, and then I put a little bit of the Cool Whip in there, and then I get chocolate pudding, like the instant chocolate pudding that you mix with milk. It has Oreo crumbles on top, and then worms, so it's essentially like a chocolate pie dirt worm with a cookie crust. It is so good. It's so rich and delicious. My kids love it. I've been making it for birthdays for many, many years, and to this day it's their favorite. So I also picked up some hot chocolate. That's one of his favorite things, and then I had to get some candles, of course. So we'll put that together tomorrow. This dessert is always a winner. It's always the first thing gone during holiday time and get-togethers. People love this chocolate pie. All right, I am going to change my shoes and let's go to dance class. I'm gonna show you guys how I salsa and bachata. We'll see what we do today.
I put the hand all the way down and as we go all the way.
Just got out of class. I'm out of breath. I should have recorded the tango with you guys because I'm gonna go home and make dinner. Well, I hope you guys can see that there wasn't a lot of, like, I wasn't into it and I wasn't being passionate and doing like all the shoulders and all the stuff, because in the beginning, like, you just focus on the footwork and the steps. It's not as intimidating as you would think. The first class is always intimidating. I'm always like sweating and scared, but yeah, he's very goofy, my instructor, and makes you very comfortable. He says, Daddy's gonna go this way, Mommy goes that way. It's a good time. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I thought I would show you outfit of the day. This is a skirt that I tried on in my last vlog that I got from Shein for $8.99. It's a nice thick material. I just paired it with an off-the-shoulder crop top here from Forever 21. And today we're gonna get started on Roman's birthday pie. I'm about to make the crust and assemble everything. So let's get started. It's very simple. There's confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar, flour, salt, butter, and vanilla extract. That's it. It takes 5 minutes to prep. You bake it for 20 minutes and you're done, and it's so delicious. I highly recommend making a crust rather than buying one because the flavor, it's all about the flavor, right? Now while the crust is baking, I'm gonna let the Jello chocolate pudding rest in the fridge. Typically you would put 2 cups per packet of cold milk mixed in, but I only do 3 for both packets. I like less milk because it lets the chocolate pudding set more like a pie than a pudding in the end result. So I just put less milk. I used half the container of whipped cream cheese and almost all of the sweetened condensed milk. It gives it that nice, dense, cheesecakey, really rich flavor, and it's our favorite. I always like to save the spatula for the kids, but since they're working, Mama gets to lick it today. So good. It's the best part. It's the best part. I typically crumble up Oreo and put it in the pudding so that when you are taking a piece of the pie, you get like the texture of the nice crunchy Oreo and that chocolate pudding. And then I put some on top of the whipped cream later. So I totally forgot to do that. I'll have to add that in now. You already know. All right, my cookie crust is cooling and my pie filling is setting in the fridge. While that's going on, I'm gonna run to Target and go get Roman's birthday decor. And I got him a PlayStation 5. This kid, I told him he had to work for it and he had to save his money with his job, but then I caved at the end because he's like, I just don't want anything else. And he suckered me into it and I got it for him, so. So I'm gonna go get his decor and the drinks and stuff like that, and then I gotta run to dance class, so it's a busy day. I have a lash appointment at 5 o'clock tonight, and then we're gonna run to Sephora. I wanna try the Summer Fridays lip balm. I've been hearing so many good things about it. I love the Laneige little pods that I have, especially the vanilla one, but I want something that I don't have to dip my finger in. I know it comes with a little tool, but who really keeps that tool? Like, I lose it constantly. So I want something that I can just have a squeeze tube and it's more of a shiny balm rather than like a gloss. All right, I left class just a little bit ago and I purchased my first pair of dance shoes. That was like a fabric on the bottom, I guess, so it's easier to slide across the floor. That's exciting. When you get your first pair of dance shoes, you're serious about dancing, right? I don't know. Check out the candles. I only got 15. I didn't realize there weren't 17, but it's enough.
15 candles?
Yeah, that's what I did. The party was amazing. My belly is full of so many sweets. Roman had an absolute blast. He was so surprised and grateful to get his PS5. He's such a sweet kid. He deserves it. But anyway, these are my lashes before. And here is the after. All right, now we're gonna head to Sephora and look at some lip products. Finally heading home. I'm so tired today. It's gloomy, it's starting to rain. I'm ready to go home and see my babe. I'm gonna try the lip gloss first. It smells really citrusy. I got the color Poppy. They didn't have the pink sugar one. That's the color. Isn't that pretty? There it is. That's really tinted. You know me, I love an orange. Yeah, it's like tangerine flavored. That's nice, I like that. And then my skin's been really dry lately because I've been using a retinol every night. My skin has been tolerating it really well. I also wanted to try the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum because of that. I need some more moisture that's oil free. So I think this is gonna be good. Summer Fridays is killing it so far. I've tried several of their products and I really like it. guys, my skin is feeling pretty good for the night. I wanted to show you that I purchased this Vanny cream. It's really, really good, and you're supposed to use antiperspirants at night, not in the daytime after you get out of the shower. So if you didn't know that, look on the back of the label, listen to your dermatologist. It's supposed to be applied at night. So that's been really helpful in terms of not sweating a lot the next day. I've been loving that, and then I've caved and I'm trying the Beauty of Joseon. Is that how you say that? SPF? There's nothing I need to say about this. Everyone knows about it. I've heard nothing but great things, and I can't wait to try it tomorrow. I am wiped today, you guys. I have been go, 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 and I need to get to editing this video so you guys have a vlog for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm calling it a night. Have an amazing rest of your night or your day. You guys, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see what I'm doing in real time. And until next time, bye for now.